So right now I'm working on my friend's vehicle. I just got it all washed up. It was very dirty. I'm doing a decon on it. I'm not going through clay because the car was coated. The coating is starting to go. I coated it with a 2-year coating, and it's been on, we're about 2.5 years in. So as of right now, I'm doing a iron decon, and as you can see, it's all turning purple here due to all the contamination of where they park for their business. They live at a very busy intersection, so they get a lot of iron contaminants. Do a tar removal and then put a 9-week topper on it. See here, it's a bit flat in this area here, and it's not very contaminated. Then we have some beading here, and then when we get into other areas, it's still beading very nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit it with a all-purpose cleaner and try and unclog the pores, and then if that doesn't work, then more than likely the coating has failed in certain areas. Again, this was a 2-year coating. We're on at about 2.5. My client that owns this vehicle doesn't have a lot of time to wash his vehicle due to his crazy work schedule, so I'm very impressed. So I'm going to go ahead and try and free this up. Alright, so I just got done degreasing it. It hasn't really gotten any better, so that kind of tells me that the coating's starting to go. But in some areas it's still working pretty well, but the hydrophobic properties are really starting to get damaged. Gonna do some sort of Canco Pro treatment, but at this point, and with how long that coating was supposed to last, it'd probably be best to just go in, do a light polish on it, and recoat it. Now for now, I'm just gonna top it off. I'm gonna foam it with Bathe Plus, which has hydrophobic agencies in it. I'm gonna foam it. This should bring back the hydrophobic properties a little bit, so I can use compressed air to blow dry it done, and then I'll hit it with some sort of maintenance on the vehicle.